Hey everyone, thanks for coming to Painted By. Look what we're going to paint today. A cute little vampire bat. I love it. Before we start, make sure to follow me on YouTube so that I can continue to make these free tutorials for you guys. All right, let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about the supplies. You're going to need watercolor paper, watercolor paint, jar of water, a napkin, some paintbrushes, a pencil, and then a thin marker. You can use a pen if you'd like. Let's get started. All right, so I'm going to do it in the middle of my paper, and I'm going to start with the head first. I'm going to do the ears. We're going to do the body. Do the little feet poking out. Now let's do the wings. And then these little swoops, okay? These little bumps. All right, these little lines coming in. And then we'll do the face after we paint. First, I'm going to get light pink and I'm going to do the insides of the ears. You're welcome to do whatever color you want. My ears are going to be light pink. The rest of the bat is going to be gray and black with a little bit of brown on the tummy. All right, here's my pink. Fill that in. I'm going to grab a little bit more color and dab it in just some corners. Just like that. All right, now I'm going to grab my light gray. We're going to do the wings. And we're going to work quickly because we want it to stay wet so that we can do some wet on wet technique with these wings. Okay, that's my gray color. Now I'm going to get a little bit more deep black and just do it in certain spots on the wing, okay? I'm going to do little stripes right here. Just like that. Maybe go around the edge. Yeah, I like that. Okay, I'm going to work on my other wing. This wing is a little bit too wet, so I'm going to dry my brush off, and then I'm going to go along it and pick up some of the water. Dry it off. Now I'm going to get some black, deeper black, and do my wet on wet technique. Add some more over here. Go along the edge like I did on the other side. Okay, I'm going to get more water on my brush It's mostly just water. And I'm gonna do the body. Again, we're gonna do wet on wet technique. So let's get it all wet. We don't want it too wet. If we've got big puddles going on like this, dry off your brush and then pick it up, okay? Okay, while that's wet, I'm gonna grab some brown. And I'm gonna drop this brown into the center. Just a little bit. Rub it around. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the ears up here. So I'm gonna get gray. My gray is gonna bleed into the part that's still a little bit wet on the pink, and that's what I want it to happen. I want some bleeding to happen, to spread. Yes. Okay, now I'm working on the face. I'm gonna make my feet a little bit more dark gray, black. And I'm gonna add a little bit more dark black onto my ears in certain spots, okay? Just like that. And just a little spot on the face, not very much. Okay, now the next step is going to be wet on dry. So we need all of this paint to be dry before we can add our next step. So go ahead and get something to dry this. You can step away for a few minutes and let it dry. You can grab another piece of paper and fan it, or a blow dryer. Here we go. Okay, mine's dry. How's yours? Let's do the face. So first, my bat's gonna be a little vampire bat with some fangs coming down. You guys do whatever you wanna do. There's my mouth. I'm gonna do my eyes, but I'm gonna leave a little bit of white spot to act as the pupil of the eye, okay? Do you see how I left that little white spot right there? I'm gonna do it right on the other side. All right, 2 little dashes for the nose on the bat, just like that. And I think I want to add 2 rosy cheeks right here. So I'm gonna grab my pink again. Get it pretty saturated. Just like that. Okay, my last step, I'm gonna grab a thin pen. You can grab a pen, a pencil, whatever you would like. And I'm just gonna trace some areas of the bat, not all of them. I don't want it to look perfect. I want it to just show the outline a little bit. Some spots I'm going to show it, some I'm going to skip and do the little feet. Last spot, I'm going to highlight these little indents on the wing. Okay, there's my bat. I love how it turned out. How did yours turn out? I hope it looks different because then that means that is your style and your touch. Now, nobody would know who this is painted by if we did not sign our name. So I'm going to sign it really little right along the body of the bat. My first name, Amy. Great. I hope to see your guys's. Go ahead and ask a parent if you can post it and tag me on Instagram at @paintedby. Thanks for stopping by. Come again soon.